Let's get straight to business. According to a study by Hartford Institute, 90% of churches have 350 members or less. Now, I'm not an accountant, I'm not an economist, but mama didn't raise no fool neither. And I know that means I'm going to go out on a limb here, make an assumption, but I'm guessing that you are probably dealing with a razor-thin budget. You're not alone, friend. And you might feel unloved, you might feel unheard. But I think about you a lot, like a whole lot. And I've actually been cooking up this series that I'm about to tell you about for quite some time. I'm very excited about it. And we're going to be hitting topics like how to make a logo when you got no money, how to roll out a logo to your group and kind of do that effectively. We're going to talk about your culture and how that matters a lot more than the logo that you put on a t-shirt sometimes. But if you do make a t-shirt, I can teach you how to sell out of that t-shirt and make sure you don't have a bunch of old boxes sitting around behind you in your office for the rest of your life. There's going to be a lot more stuff in there. I'm very excited about this. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Turn on the notifications. Sign up for the email list. Text me at my home phone number. I don't care. Let's stay in touch. I'm so pumped about this, guys. Hold on to your biscuits. Get ready for some juicy nugs of wisdom in this new series I'm calling Branding on a Budget.
Right, Cole, baby. Branding on a budget, man, your haters, you can't touch it. If you tryna step to him, then you better pop, shove it. We get your logo popping like a poker stick, ain't stopping. When you branding on a budget, man, the haters can't touch it. Branding on a budget, branding on a budget. Branding on a budget, man, the haters can't touch it. When you branding on a budget, branding on a budget. Branding on a budget, man, the haters can't touch it. Logos more than pixels, pixels more than logos. Shout out to the fans, get it bagging like it's Frodo. If you wanna come pop like a pop star, rock star, come and get your logo popping. It ain't that hard.